Basics of the Indian stock market. Hey there. Have you ever wondered how some people make money while they sleep? Well, the answer lies in the world of stock markets. Welcome to my channel, where we make the world of finance simple and easy to understand. In today's video, we're going to talk about the basics of the Indian stock market. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what the stock market is, how it works, and why people invest in it. So, let's get started. The stock market is, at its core, a place where shares of companies are bought and sold. Think of it like a giant marketplace, similar to the one you might visit to buy vegetables or groceries. But instead of goods, you're trading ownership in companies. The main purpose of the stock market is twofold. Firstly, it allows companies to raise money to grow their businesses. Secondly, it gives investors like you and me a chance to earn a return on our investments. Let me simplify this with a real-life example. Imagine you and your friends want to start a lemonade stand. You need money for lemons, sugar, and cups. Instead of borrowing from your parents, you decide to sell shares of your lemonade business to your neighbors. They give you money now, and in return, they get a part of the profit whenever you sell lemonade. This is exactly what companies do in the stock market. They sell shares to raise money and give investors a chance to earn profits. In India, there are two main stock exchanges where most of the trading happens: the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, or NSE. BSE is one of the oldest stock exchanges in Asia, while NSE is the largest in terms of trading volume. When you buy or sell shares, you do so through brokers, either online or offline. These brokers are like middlemen who place buy or sell orders on your behalf. If you're buying, the exchange matches your order with someone who wants to sell at that price, and vice versa. Once the order is matched, the trade is executed. It's like shopping online, but instead of products, you're buying and selling shares of companies. Before diving further, it's important to understand some key terms you'll hear often in the stock market world. First, shares or stocks. A share represents a small part of a company. Owning shares means owning a piece of that company.
Next, market capitalization, often called market cap. It's the total value of a company's shares in the market. Think of it as the size of the company. Larger market cap usually means a bigger, more established company.
Then we have Sensex and Nifty. These are the benchmark indices of the BSE and NSE, respectively. They track the performance of the top companies listed on these exchanges. When you hear that Sensex is up, it means the overall market is doing well.
Lastly, the terms bull market and bear market. A bull market is when prices are rising and investors are optimistic. A bear market is when prices are falling and investors are pessimistic. You can remember it this way: bulls charge ahead and bears hibernate.
So why do people invest in the stock market? There are a few key reasons. First, the potential for high returns. Historically, the stock market has offered higher returns compared to traditional savings methods like fixed deposits. Second, owning shares makes you a part owner of the company, which means you may receive a portion of the company's profits, known as dividends. And third, investing in the stock market can help you beat inflation, ensuring your money doesn't lose its purchasing power over time. Now, if you're thinking about investing, here are a few basic tips for beginners. First, start small. Begin with a small amount you're willing to invest and gradually increase as you learn more. Second, diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock or sector. Spread your investments across different companies and industries. Lastly, stay informed. Keep learning about market trends, economic news, and the companies you've invested in. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. To sum it up, the stock market is a powerful tool for building wealth over time, but it's important to approach it with knowledge and caution. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of the basics of the Indian stock market. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.